morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. We are currently at the cottage. It's kind of a rainy day here.
Long weekend.
It's not raining right now, but it is pretty cloudy. We're spending the day inside. Jamie's playing some guitar. And I'm gonna go get ready for the day because Jamie's step-siblings are coming for dinner and I don't want to look like a ragamuffin. Hair is done. I'm gonna put on some makeup now. I forgot my tripod at home, so it's kind of difficult to find a placement that looks cool without it. If you could see out my nose the whole time, it was really hard to find somewhere to put the camera, but this is the final finished look. I did not put a lot of makeup on because I don't like wearing a lot of makeup like this. Let's see one of this container of soap against the mirror in order to get my shots. What can you do? So we are back from the cottage now and from having lunch at Jamie's mom's house. We were gonna go grocery shopping, but Jamie's mom was kind enough to clean out her refrigerator. So we're gonna do a little haul of what we got from Jamie's mom's refrigerator.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, so we have cantaloupe, pineapple, peaches, golden plums.
Peaches smell good.
The peaches smell amazing. We have some blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, as well as some grapes. So we're gonna make a delicious fruit salad. She gave us some thick sliced bacon, some ham, some deviled eggs, a big thing of beans. We have some chips. These are orange spare ribs, an Asian cashew salad, some buns, and Jamie's favorite, some butter tarts. These groceries, along with what we have in our freezer, should get us through the rest of the week, so we're very happy. Thank you. We quickly went to No Frills and got some spinach, some M&Ms, balsamic dressing, 2 Gatorades, and a cucumber. We got a notification this morning that the power surged last night in our building, causing the AC to go out. But we've been having issues with the turtle tank filter, and whenever the power is turned off on it, it leaks. So this is what we discovered when we came home. Down, just in case it leaked. But it's full of water now. We have to figure out how we're gonna empty it out, and we're gonna have to buy a new turtle filter. We are going to make our fruit salad now to have throughout the week.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you.
Look this delicious salad. So fresh and summery, although there's a lot of it and I don't know how we're gonna get through it. We are starting off dinner tonight with some dill pickled chips from Sherry's Kitchen. Jamie is making us some sandwiches.
Pick it up as we go.
He's getting creative with the leftovers. Oh no. Oh no.
The cheese slid right off the mayonnaise.
Oh no.
Jeez. It's going everywhere.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Looks delicious.
From Mom's Kitchen.
For dessert, we're having some fruit salad and some maple ice cream. We're going to eat our dessert now. Want to say thank you to Sherry. We know that you're watching the video. Thank you so much for giving us all the goodies today.
Yes, thank you.
But I'm gonna close the video here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.